Hey guys, welcome back to Smoke and Bears. I'm Pete from Pete's Interest, and I'm taking over for this week's Cast Iron Wednesday. I've decided to do my take on a 2-ingredient cornbread. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is my old girl Veronica. This is my little Dutch oven we're going to use. And I'm going to take that lid off, put it to the side, and I have 1 thing of creamed corn. I'm just going to go ahead and dump it in. And then we're going to take a box of the Jiffy corn mix, muffin mix, and we're just going to add that too. Alright, we're just going to add that in. And then we're going to mix it, and I'll get back to you guys after it's all done. Alright guys, it's all mixed in. As you can see, there's no residue of the powder anywhere, so we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 400 degrees. Alright guys, so I just took it out the oven. It's been about 15 to 20 minutes and came out clean. So now it's time for, I went around the edges just to make sure it can come out clean for this next bit. What I'm gonna do might sound a little crazy, but trust me. Okay, I'm gonna put the plate on top. Try to be really nice and gentle, and then, oh, that did not work. That did not work. So that didn't go as planned. I should have let it cool a little bit instead of taking it right out the oven and, doing the flippity-doo-dah. But that's what it gave us.
Looks like cornbread.
It looks like cornbread. Cake. It did hold its shape throughout the sides and the edges. I feel like if I let it cool, it would have been really good. The way it kind of like pulls apart, if you can see that. There's still a bunch of steam.
Mm.
All right, I'll give it a taste test. Hot, hot, hot. It is really hot.
Now that's some cornbread.
It tastes
corn.
It tastes like cornbread with like a side of corn that you just mix together. It wasn't overheated, overcooked or anything, which is really good. But yeah, that was my video on the 2-ingredient cornbread. Hope you guys can try this out for yourselves, make it your own, and see y'all next week. Bye.